Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making a beat for Wizkid. So let's jump right in. One important thing when making beats is sound selection. Choosing the right sounds to match the vibe you're going for is a priority. So yeah, I was going through samples that would fit for Afrobeats. So I slowed it down to 90 BPM here because I wanted it slower to match the Wizkid vibe. Moving on to the chord progression, I went with the simple 6-6-4-3. This goes with the majority of his songs, and I'll prove it in a minute. Here is what everything sounds like so far. I came up with this bass idea on my keyboard, so I just turned that into MIDI here. I then recorded a very simple guitar part. I added this part sample as well and spiced it with the Flux Mini fake chain preset. I made this drum roll. Then I moved on to the intro of the song where I added this ambient coffee shop sound, and lastly, just to keep it simple, a road sound. So before I play the finished beat, if you're enjoying the video so far, show some love by liking, sharing and subscribing so you can enjoy more of my content and as well support the channel.
Please
my style, yeah, I wanna like, yeah, we gon' link up. Let's live the romance. Give you loving every night, you make you mad, oh. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, oh, nice. I way, cause in my way. This kind of body done they cause in my brain. I wanna leave if you do, I'm your way. Or if you want, if you do, I'm my way.
If you want to learn more about music production, beat making, or you love beat remake videos, hey, I'm your guy. Consider subscribing so you can enjoy more of my content. And from here, it's goodbye. See you in the next one.